Ambisonic has announced a new in-wall home theater speaker system. They're calling the Marquee in-wall speaker setup. Look, they've made this for home cinemas that don't, want to restrain themselves for money. If you have funds, you can go for something like this. The way they made it, you can install it in wall, you can have it sealed off, and it's not gonna bother anyone, and you might not even know that there is a speaker installed there. So they made it to look almost invisible. You can paint, or you can run paint around it to blend in with your ceiling the way you decorated your ceiling. It can allow you to do that, so it's quite nice. Now the Ambisonic brand, look, they are not the most popular brand for home theaters. The reason being is that they used to make residential outdoor speakers. That's something they used to make. They don't really make home theater speakers. So this is kind of like their first dedicated high performance home theater speaker system, and it's made out of planar ribbon design. They have around five models in here. They have the AM 5600, they have the AM 3600, they have the AM 3600A, they have the AM 2600 IC, and then they have the subwoofer, which is the AMB 5600. So what you get here is that the loudspeakers, like for instance, if you want an LCR setup, you get the AM 5600, because that can serve as your front speakers. If you want surrounds just to serve as your surrounds, you get the AM 3600, because those are the in-wall speakers that can sit by the corner, by the side of the wall to serve as your surround. If you want the angled surround on-wall speakers, you can get the AM 3600A. If you want the in-ceiling speakers that can serve as your Dolby Atmos height speakers, then you get the AM 2600 IC. Then finally, the subwoofer, their in-wall dual subwoofer, which is the AMB 5600, is very powerful. It can get down low in terms of bass. It's not the biggest subwoofer. You can get better subwoofers than this. That it's decent. It's designed to deliver maximum power with efficiency from its dual 10-inch fiberglass drivers. It's not the biggest drivers that you get in most basic home theater subwoofers, but it's decent. Now also with it's not a big subwoofer design, so you can have it set up in multiple configurations around your home theater setup. So look, I'm going to drop details for you guys. And before I leave, in terms of price tag, to have this full system in an Atmos setup, you'll spend $30,000. It's quite expensive. It's not cheap. So you spend around $30,000 to have the Ambisonic Marquee home theater speaker system around your home theater living room, literally. So I will drop details for you guys down below, so do check it out. Subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next